Welcome, and this is the best secret I'm going to give you. This is like an atomic bomb of secrets. This is your secret weapon. This is called the index cards. You know what is index cards? I'm sure your teachers have told you, your lecturers have told you, your parents have told you, your grandparents have told you, your friends have told you, or maybe no one told you. But I'm telling you that the secret of success is index cards. You know what's index cards? I don't have it here. You'll get it at CNA or PNA or any of these shops. It's like this. You have a set of cards like this. It looks like cards. You can even make notes of paper. In it, it's got lines on it. All right. You got some that are small like this that can fit into your pocket like this. And it's got lines on it. Index card just means as you're studying your work, you write down the key concepts. Okay. You're studying anatomy of the brain. You say, okay, the brain has got 4 parts: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe. So you say frontal, parietal, temporal, occipital, you write it there. 4 lobes, write it there. Then you say, okay, a circle of Willis, you write the names of the arteries, and you continue going. Then when it's exam time, the night before the exam, you can't open up a thick textbook like that to study. No, you can't go through a thick textbook. Then you go through these index cards. You go through, you say, okay, this is a keyword, that's a keyword, that's a keyword. These index cards, you put it in your pocket, like this. You put it inside your pocket. When you're traveling in the car, you must not while you're driving. Say if you're a passenger in the car, or you're going through with Uber to somewhere, or you're waiting in a queue to stand in a queue to buy some food, you take out your index card, you keep revising. You're having breakfast in the morning, you take out your index card from your pocket, and you keep revising. You're having lunch on campus, or during the break at school, take out your index cards and you keep revising. These index cards are putting your thoughts into long-term memory. Long-term memory. You just need keywords. You must make notes. For exam time, you can't sit with so many notes like this. No, you can't do it. The night before the exam, you just need your index cards. So please, buy your index cards from the stationery shops. If not, cut up your own paper, make your own index cards, and keep making notes. This I can tell you now, please. This is the most important lesson I can give you of how to put information. So the index card is a secret weapon. Make notes of keywords. Memorize your mathematics theorems, your formulae. You put it on here. What's your geometry formula? Put it there. Keep on remembering. Without theorems, you're not going to pass your geometry test. You must know your theorems. You must know your formulas. If you're an engineer, you must know your formulas. So on your index card, you keep on reminding yourself. Revise in the car during meal times. And the night before the exams, you use your index cards. Morning of the exams, when you wake up in the morning, today is your exams. You don't look at your thick books. You take your index cards. You go through it very quickly. With the index cards, you can go through the whole book within an hour's time. Within 30 minutes time, you've done your whole book. So index cards is the key to exam success. Stay well, look after it. The main thing about this is implement the knowledge I'm sharing. There's no point me talking about index cards and you do nothing about it. So please encourage your children and grandchildren, start index cards, start making notes, apply it into your lives, and you'll get there with your exams. Stay well.